Wanted to get rid of my gaming PC, works very well and will trade for a four-wheeler even if I have to add cash. Gaming PC, $1,000. Okay, here are the specs. 4090, i9 14900, KF flavor of course, 96 gigs of RAM, 2 terabyte NVMe SSD, plus 12 terabyte HDD, with 2 monitors. Heck yeah, sign me up. I'll take 2 of them. Folks, this is the stuff that's on the Facebook Marketplace. This is the stuff that people fall for, and you gotta be careful. So this is a listing that I found while browsing the Facebook Marketplace. Let's take a look at it and tell you the story. So you've been watching the channel. You know that I like to get on the Facebook Marketplace, scoop up some deals, flip the computers, or like part them out and sell them. You know, that's how I make some extra cash. It's been lucrative and it works really well. But unfortunately, there are people out there who try to take advantage. That's the best thing I can say. So this one popped up. I was looking at it and I was curious, but even the picture should be a red flag. When you're buying used on the Facebook Marketplace, ask questions, challenge the seller, pictures, videos. I mean, do everything you can to kind of help make sure that you're making the best sound decision. So this one pops up, and as you can see, yeah, this is supposed to be a 14900K system with a 4090. Last time I checked, I'm pretty sure Nvidia didn't make a low profile 4090 edition that could fit in a Dell Optiplex. This is obviously a Dell Optiplex, just with the size and just the way it looks. Those are those ones that you see on the eBay and Amazon. They're like gaming, refurbished, real cheap for $200. They come with a cheap mouse, monitor, keyboard. Typically they have a graphics card, something like, I don't know, an RX 550 or R7 450. I've seen those pop up, and then they have the whole Fortnite logo, Apex Legend guys running and, you know, beating each other up or whatever it is, and people buy it, they take it home, and I'm like, this thing doesn't do anything. So that's what it looks like he's trying to sell, but as a 4090, 14900. Now, just because they have pictures, you still got to challenge it, because I could take a picture of anything and claim it to be something. This one, it shows the GPU, Nvidia RTX 4090, CPU 4 gigahertz on it, memory, yep, there, the 2 drives. I mean, everything that he's claiming that it's supposed to have, it has it on there, so you're automatically going to see that, and you're going to be like, oh yeah, wow, this is the computer he's selling. Unless you know enough about computers, you know that there's no way that hardware is going to fit in that small case. Like I said, no 4090 low profile edition last time I checked. Now diving into the ad, he has a picture of the case. Well, this is the side panel. Yeah. If a computer like that was in there, it would probably suffocate like crazy and overheat. So after going through that, I was curious. You know, I just kind of want to get an idea. Is this person really going to try to push this and this, that, and the other? I reach out and I say, hey, is this available? Of course, the generic thing that people just hate. I ask that because a lot of the times people post stuff up there, it gets sold, and they just don't remove it. I'm guilty of that when I sell stuff on the Facebook Marketplace, so I don't get offended if people ask if it's still available. I think it's a legit question. Let me know in the comments. Of course, he responds, yep, are you interested? I say, any better pics of the case, insides, and all that good stuff? And he responds, are you willing to pay $1,000? Had too many scammers text me already. Okay. So I respond, I'm willing. I just want to see better pics. I mean, folks, I want to make sure that I'm getting what I'm getting, even though you can still show up and get a real fancy case. And I've seen this happen. You get a real nice fancy case, like, whoa, this is a, you know, super cool RGB case, and you get in there and, well, it's an AMD FX 8350 that you paid $1,500 for. I've seen that happen. A little bit of time goes by. I respond, question mark, and I say, I can come tomorrow. I mean, this is legit. I can come tomorrow. He's like, yeah, 1K cash. And then he puts in there, or if you want to, TN. So I'm assuming that means tonight. And I'm like, yeah, you got the pics. I'm pushing for the pics. I want to make sure I get the pics of this 4090 low profile that fits in a Dell Optiplex, so I could post it on Reddit and get 1 million views, and maybe, you know, be the one to uncover Nvidia's top secret stuff that they've been lying to us. But anywho's, he responds, finna send now. I'm not exactly sure what that means. I think that means he's going to send it now. Actually, I had asked my kid for some of these slang lingo. She keeps up with that, but she knows, you know, don't bring that in the house. But anyways, a couple hours goes by, I get a message, and he sends me the exact same pictures that he posted in the ad. Still hasn't shown me pictures of the inside or anything like that. I mean, obviously we know from the beginning that this is not legit, but anyways, I respond back, any better pictures, you know, of the inside, I'll meet today, you know, willing to meet today. Let's be honest, folks, I was not willing to meet today for that, but I just really wanted to see, you know, how adamant this person was about selling something that actually is not. But anyways, long story short, he blocks me and the ad is taken down. Maybe he sold it to somebody else, or maybe he just blocked me. I don't know. I used another account that I have and I could not find it. So hopefully nobody got scammed by that, but who knows. Now folks, there are good deals out there. A couple of weeks ago, I saw a 4090 system with the 5950X for $1,500. It was legit. It was from a legit seller that has a good reputation on it. And unfortunately, I was not able to jump on that. I mean, the 4090 itself, if you think about it, that alone is going to sell for about at least $1,500 for a quick flip. And then the computer, you can either piece it to make some money or just pop in a, you know, I don't know, 2080, 3080, something like that, and still sell a really good gaming PC. So there are good deals like that. But then again, there are deals like this where people try to take advantage, and that's unfortunate. With all that being said, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, concerns, criticisms. Do you think someone fell victim to this unfortunate situation? Have you ever run into issues like that and been hosed buying used? I have. It's happened to me. And what steps do you recommend to avoid this type of situation or to protect yourself? Besides the obvious, don't buy used. If you like this video, definitely hit the like button, subscribe if you're not, and as always, we'll see what we come up with next.